Production workshop. It is the core area of the factory and is divided into several parts according to the production process. LED lamp base mounting area. Use automated surface mount technology (SMD) equipment to accurately mount LED lamp bases on circuit boards. Circuit board production area. Using advanced printed circuit board (PCB) production equipment to produce circuit boards through high-precision printing, etching, and other processes. LED lamp base mounting. After completion, perform a lighting test to ensure that each lamp base emits light normally and the color is consistent. Assembly test. The finished display screen will also undergo aging test, brightness and contrast test, etc., to ensure that the product can work reliably after delivery to customers. The working principle of LED backlight strips is to convert electrical energy into light energy through LED lamp base. The LED bulbs are integrated into a thin and long light strip. After being powered by a power supply, the current is guided into the bulbs to make them glow. This design enables the LED backlight strip to provide uniform and soft light, suitable for various display devices.